Greetings, it is Dynaman here again with another update on my threadripper build, which is going to be a beast of a build. I'm going to go with a case. I'm going to get a new case for this system, so stay tuned for that one when I get it. I've now got the CPU and it's enormous. It's the AMD 1920X, 12 cores, 24 threads, 38 megabytes of cache. It is a beast. I'm very pleased with the processor. I'll now show you the packaging. It doesn't come in a usual box, it comes in this, like a foam box with a cardboard surround which says "Rip here, Threadripper, rip here." That's very funny. So there's the chip, you can see it there, it's inside. It's never been unboxed, never been unwrapped, so I'm looking forward to this one, guys. I'm now going to unwrap this CPU, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here goes my Threadripper 1920X. First time unboxing, unwrapping should I say, because it's not a box, it's huge. So we get this here, tab, pull it out. It's a pity to unwrap it like this, but we'll try on camera. That didn't go very well. There it goes. Ooh, look at that. It's now got nothing around the outside. This is how you open it. Lift the top up like that. Comes out in two halves. Two halves. Put that half down. Get that half out of the way. This is the packaging, which has the CPU in. On the back it says, I don't know if you can see that there, so it's upside down, unlock the power. So you twist it and it unlocks. So turn it that way, pull it out, it clicks. There is the Threadripper CPU. It is enormous. You can read it. It's the 1920X Threadripper. Very nice indeed. I'm going to leave it in this for now because I'm going to install it onto the motherboard. So stay tuned. We're going to install this beast onto the motherboard. I'll put it down. Right. Also in this container you get a little leaflet there. Well, you get some stickers as well in there. Have a look at that first. Right, first off we have a very nice sticker. The top one I like better, that's like a case badge sticker, and then the bottom one. On the back there's your little leaflet, all your instructions are in there on how to install the CPU. So you can read it if you want, it's very comprehensive. It's even got a diagram on the back showing you how to install it if you don't know what you're doing, so that's very handy to look at. That's the leaflet, what you get with it. And also, which I think is a very nice touch by AMD, that is a torque wrench. so you can't over tighten the CPU. Yeah, that's your torque wrench. Yeah, I think it's an M20 bit on the end, and that's what you use to install it. So we'll put that to one side as well. Right folks, I've now got my motherboard on the table, ready to install the CPU. I'm not going to put it on a box because the motherboard might warp when I'm trying to install it, so leave it in the top box and then do it from there. This is your CPU. I'm now going to lift the tab on the side. Very stiff. Clip comes off. Do not touch the CPU. Right, I think you squeeze these in and lift it up. There's the CPU, ready for installation. I'll leave that on for now so we don't get any dust on it. Alright, so now I'm going to get rid of my static. Touch something metal. Right, static has been discharged. I'll take this off. Right, here's your motherboard. We've got 3 screws. You undo them a certain way, and that's how you install it. So you've got 1, 2, 3 to undo. 3, 2, 1. So we'll start undoing it. It's not much light here now, so I might open the curtains. More lighting. Right, we're ready. This is a very nervous thing to do for me. I've never done this before, so 3, 2, 1. So we'll start here. Undo that one. Undo that one. Undo this one. People have been having trouble with these Foxconn sockets. I don't know why. So there you go. First off, to install the CPU, lift up the rails round on the sides. There's 2 little blue tabs. Lift them up, and that lifts the tray up. Slide out the slide from the CPU holder. As it goes in one way, there's your slide. That's out. Right. Get your CPU. As you see, there's no pins on it. No pins at all. It's just like an Intel CPU. Do not touch the top. Do not touch the bottom. And do not take that cover off until the last minute when you put the CPU in. Now I'm going to install it into the rails. Get the rails. Slide it down. should click. Hear that click? That means the CPU's in. You can see the rails on either side are on the CPU. The CPU is fully in. So all you need to do is remove the cover. Right, we'll now push down. No, it won't push down. Leave the CPU up. We're now going to remove the cover for the pins. And there's 4,096 pins on this motherboard. Like Angel Air, do not touch any of them. You move any of them out of place, that's it, you've ruined it. The motherboard could be no good. So carefully take off the CPU cover off the pins, push in the sides, and reeling the pins. 4,096 pins in there. Install the CPU. Push down on the bracket till it clicks. That's the CPU installed over the pins. Now all you need to do is shut the bracket. Now people have been having trouble with this bracket. What they've done is they've tightened one up all the way and then they can't get the other two in. So what you do is you thread each one a little bit, then tighten them down. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. Push down on the bracket, just by your hand, get your torque wrench which comes with the CPU, start off the first pin, just push down a little bit to get it started. It's not going down. It's Foxconn sockets. Right. Push down with both fingers. Get it started. Right, that started the thread off on the first one. That's caught. Now do the other two. So it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So start off this one. Little bit, and start off the other one. Little bit. You can feel them biting. Once you can feel them biting like that, you can screw them down fully. So now we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, tighten them all down. So start off with this one. It'll only go so tight and then it will click. Getting tight. That's tight enough. Next one. Getting tight. That's in. Next one. Getting tight. Keep going. So they're all in. Try them again. That one's in. That one's in. That's in. And that is your install of the threadripper chip. Done. Ready for RAM and everything else. So I'll put the cover back on. Right. Move the camera back. Right, I hope you've enjoyed that install of the CPU into the motherboard. I managed it. I'm sure you can as well. Just don't take the layer off. Don't try installing one screw, tightening it all the way down and then going on to the next two. It won't work. The best thing to do is start them all off, then tighten the first one down fully, then the second one fully, then the third one fully, and then you'll have successfully installed your CPU. A lot of people have been having problems installing these on these motherboards with a Foxconn socket. I've not had a problem. I've just put two fingers on the top, pushed down a little bit, it's caught the thread. Simple. Done. So guys, I hope you've all enjoyed this video, and ladies should I say. I hope everyone has enjoyed this video of my install of the threadripper chip into my beautiful ASUS ROG Zenith Extreme motherboard. The next video will probably be installing the motherboard into the case. I'm not going to tell you which case I'm getting yet, but it's going to be a good one. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and it's Dynaman saying bye for now. Bye.